Thank you for calling in technical support. My name is Tony. How may I help you?
Hey, Habibi, I got a virus on my computer. Can you help me out?
And how do you know that
Beep.
there is a virus in your computer?
Beep.
It told me. It says there is a .network framework error, call this number, and then it's your number.
Sorry.
It said,
Okay. And I will always love you, baby.
Hey Sam. Sam, can you hear me?
Bob, is that you? Richard,
Hey, are you there?
you there, Stacy? Tim.
look, we're looking for a Saul. He works in your little cubicle.
Yeah. Is Saul there? Ooh, stay alive. Stay alive. Like, ooh, ooh,
Wait,
ooh, ooh,
could
stay
you do
alive.
could you sing a song for us? Like a song, like use your vocals. What are the words?
Baby, gotta use
Get
words.
yeah, get some words in there, bro.
That's not a word.
I think it's the wrong number. Bye bye, take care.
I think, sir,
No,
sir, sir.
wait.